This is refrigerator, LG refrigerator. The upside and upside. The upside is cooling properly. It's cooling well, that upside. But the downside, no cooling of the downside, not cooling. So you will check what is the problem. For the customer put it 8. 8 mean freezer max. So definitely the upside will cool very well, but the downside will not cool. And I will show you why the upside will cool, but the downside will not cool. Okay, just have to. So as you can see, I've already opened the screws. Screw here, screw here. Okay. So you open the panel, this panel. You see, this is why. So this is the settings. So you see, this hole is very small hole. In this hole, the cooling is passing from this small hole into the downside. So that's why the cooling is not coming downside properly, because the settings was put on 8. But see, when we put it on 1, we put it on 1 like this, you see the automatically, you see the hole coming very big, as you can see. So you put it 1, the hole is coming very big, so the downside will cool very well. And as you can see like this, you put it 8, very small hole, so definitely not too much cooling is going downside. That's why the downside is not cooling. So anytime you are recommended to adjust the settings, the cooling settings, you can adjust it for your desired temperature like this. So this is very high for the cooling downside. Yes, like this, normal, like this, the downside not too much cooling is coming, but the upside will cool very well. So always you are recommended to put it, you can put it either 4 or 3.